Problem number 1. The percentage of disposable personal annual income spent on food on various years are 18%, 14%, 13%, 11%, and 6%. Let P be the percentage of disposable personal annual income spent on food. So P is our variable. Use points on a number line to describe the given values of the variable. Then they want us to find the average of the values, and indicate it on a number line. So let's take a look at this first number line. Let's put these values 18, 14, 13, 11, and 6% on this number line. And so this number line has so many ticks, and we want to go all the way up to 18. So I think we're going to need to count this off by 2's. And then from here, we can find out these values that we're looking for. So let's start with 18, and these are the percentage values. So this is 18, 14, 13. So there's no 13 tick here, but I know 13 is between 12 and 14, so I'm going to put 13 here. 11, and then 6. So that's the first part. The next part is to find the average. So when we're looking for the average, what we want to do is we want to add up the numbers and then divide it by the number of numbers there are. So we have 18 plus 14 plus 13 plus 11 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers total here. So for this, I would take out my calculator and just do the addition. We have 18 plus 14 plus 13 plus 11 plus 6. Now, I want to divide by 5, but I want to keep everything in the numerator first. And so what I would like to do here is add them all up first. So I'll press equal, and that gets me 62 up on top. So 62 in the numerator, and then I want to divide it by 5. So I have 62, and then I'll divide by 5, and I'm going to get 12.4. So my average is 12.4. Now I want to plot that. If I have the same sort of looking graph, as the graph I have on top, I can look for 12.4. So this is 12, this is 13, so 12.4 will be somewhere in between here, a little bit less. So this would be my graph for 12.4. Now, if I look at that, I think this is worth comparing. If I take this dot and plot it over here, I see that my average is somewhere between all these numbers. And so that kind of makes sense because it takes into account all these numbers. Alright, so that is problem number 1.